Some cars are more than just machines. They're part of a person's life story. That's exactly the case with this stunning 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, a muscle car that one man owned since his senior year of high school in 1979. After decades of memories, upgrades, and restorations, the car has been sold, but not before making waves for hiding one of the most bizarre and legendary modifications ever seen: a functional keg built right into the trunk. The Camaro's second owner, who just sold the car for $39,500, explained with nostalgia, "This was my high school car as a senior. I've owned it since 1979. What started as a bare-bones first-generation Camaro evolved into a rolling masterpiece of personal history, muscle car performance, and wild party-ready upgrades." At its core, this Camaro is still a beastly machine. Under the hood sits a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and controlled through a Hurst shifter. True to classic muscle car fashion, all that power is sent to the rear wheels, delivering the kind of raw performance that defined the golden era of American automotive history. Complemented by power steering, power front brakes, and a Moroso oil pan, this Camaro is built to drive as hard as it looks. But what really sets it apart is not just the power, it's the presentation. Years ago, the owner invested in a high-end paint job, using a color pulled from a 1998 Saturn. By day, it shines as a vibrant, rich purple, but at night, it transforms into a deep cherry shade that dazzles under the lights. Silver racing stripes on the hood and trunk lid complete the classic muscle look, while the black and purple interior ties everything together in style. And then comes the surprise. Hidden in the trunk, cleverly installed by the longtime owner, is a stainless steel keg system complete with a tap that dispenses drinks from just above the rear bumper. The keg, originally made from a wine container and specially coated for safe use, has been a centerpiece of countless tailgate parties and car shows. It wasn't just for beer. It often poured whiskey of all flavors, making the Camaro both a performance machine and a conversation piece. The setup works like this: fill the tank, flip on the compressor until the pressure gauge hits the right setting, and drinks flow from the rear tap. While certainly a showstopper, the owner made it clear it was always about fun at events, not drinking and driving. Beyond the keg, the Camaro has been heavily modernized with comforts you'd never expect in a 1968 classic. Heated front seats, a removable sunroof, vintage air AC, a Kenwood touchscreen, LED lighting, and a premium kicker sound system. The car even features underbody color-shifting lighting, making it stand out at night as much as during the day. After decades of ownership, restoration, and countless memories, the longtime owner finally passed it on to its third caretaker. For $39,500, the new owner doesn't just get a big block V8 muscle car. They inherit a piece of living history, a car that tells the story of youthful passion, creative engineering, and one of the most unique modifications ever installed in a Camaro. This 1968 Camaro isn't just another Restomod. It's a legend, a high school dream car turned into a lifetime companion, and now an unforgettable story on wheels, complete with a tap handle at the back.